Hey, if you want to make money on YouTube Shorts, is it more important for you to make shorts that take off fast or to make shorts that are fun to make? Well, this channel right here went from getting 77,000 views in May this year up to 197 million views in June. That's just 1 month. That's some of the fastest growth I've ever seen. And I found this channel because I asked you, what YouTube Shorts niche do you want to make? 4,700 of you voted, and it was not scary stories or relationship facts. 72% of you wanted to make interesting facts and stories. So I think I found the best of both worlds. Something you guys are interested in, and it takes off fast. In this video, I'll show you 3 channels getting millions of views from this. And the funniest thing is, one of the channels I'll show you, he used to be a millionaire drop shipping and Amazon FBA YouTuber with a Lamborghini. But 5 months ago, he went completely dark for months. And now I found that he is doing exactly what I'll show you step by step in this video. So if you want to see one of the biggest opportunities on YouTube Shorts available right now, and you actually want to make a full-time income from it, I'll show you that all the way at the end. So make sure you watch this video very carefully and pay close attention.
Hey, what's up, Takeoff Drivers? Andy FL, the Norwegian No BS YouTube and affiliate marketing coach. And today, I want you to comment down below the favorite trail hike I've ever done was in blank. And you can enter to win a $1,000 course. And with this course, quit your job, work from home, and travel the world. So I'm still in Montenegro. And the best part about Montenegro is that it has this amazing, beautiful nature and amazing high mountains. And one of my favorite things to do is to go on a trail run. Basically run about 10 kilometers on a little trail, jump over a couple of rocks, and watch this beautiful, amazing nature. So I'm gonna go into my computer in just a second, but before that, let me show you this amazing little trail right here.
Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you seek then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on, you know how the story go. This the shit that never run and they always pretending, acting kinda sinning. They mind what I'm bending, just imagine like Lennon that we living like long division. My vision is risen, shout out my homie in prison. Shit is deeper than an incision on the lower level. Word of the devil, I can feel the trouble inside, telling me what to do, I never abide. Feel the vibe, the second we ride, you know we know just how to do it. My style, they can never renew it, I bet they know it. Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see
hey, welcome back. It's good to have you here again. I'm gonna show you 4 different YouTube Shorts creators that are getting literally millions of views. This content is so ridiculously easy to make, and I'll show you them right now. And the first channel is David Profit. He is getting 32 million views the last 30 days, and you can see that his views has just increased drastically this last month. You can see these last 2 weeks he went from getting 500, 300,000 views all the way up to 3 million on this day right here, which is absolutely crazy. Now, type of videos he's posting is today years old when you found this out, 200,000 views 1 day ago here. This one is the same title with 1.3 million views in 6 days. Absolutely crazy. He does some crazy comparison pictures, some most terrifying pictures and facts that can save your life, stuff like this. And you can see here that he has got around 83,000 subscribers on YouTube. But if we hop over on TikTok, you can see that he got about 473,000 followers, getting 32 million views, which is an insane number. And I'll show you how you can monetize this, because there is no ad revenue on YouTube at this point. When you get 32 million views, you definitely want to make some money, right? And that's what he's doing, and I'll show you exactly how in a minute. But look at this channel, Icicle, getting 221 million views the last 30 days. And look at this, he got around 211,000 subscribers the last 30 days. That shows you that you can straight up
blow up on YouTube Shorts right now. He only has 182 uploads, and that might seem a lot, but these literally take like 60 minutes to create the entire thing. So if you work like an 8-hour workday or even 4 hours, you can make 4 YouTube Shorts in a very easy way. Just look at this monthly gain views. It just completely blew up. And the types of videos he's making is 2021 just got even crazier. How rare is your body? You won't believe the actual size of these things. Some people are awesome. The most loyal dog. And you know, these gets crazy amount of views. In fact, 200 million. I can't remember the last time I saw like a 200 million views on a YouTube channel. So this is super hot, very simple content that pretty much anybody can do. Now I want to show you a special one here. And the last channel I'll show you is called Knowledge Saurus. All right. And this is the funniest thing. This guy is a guy that I know from before that used to be an Amazon FBA and a drop shipping expert. That's right. When I started making YouTube videos, this guy was popping up and he was buying Lamborghinis and shit like that because he said that Amazon FBA is so simple. And now he literally left Amazon FBA. He left drop shipping to make these YouTube Shorts. So that just shows you that all the people selling you like Amazon FBA courses, and this guy literally made over $1 million with his Amazon FBA course, not even his Amazon FBA products. And that's a real sign of a true, I don't really want to call other people scammers, but it definitely seems like he's dropped out of the e-commerce space and he's doing these little shorts right here. So Tanner, if you're watching this, get more sleep, dude. This is the face you make when you're desperate for money because Amazon FBA doesn't work. This is the face you make when you're fake gurus selling bad courses that don't even work.
What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about how much it costs to own, maintain, and how much, because I'm selling it, how much it costs me over.
Because I'm selling it. Oh, really? You're selling it? Nobody watches my YouTube videos anymore, so
I'm selling it.
My fake course isn't selling anymore.
I'm selling it.
My Amazon FBA store closed down, so
I'm selling it.
Oof, 10,000 views the last 30 days. But okay, I'll give him a little bit of credit, okay? He dropped away from being a fake guru to actually doing something that helps people and entertains people. So I'll give him credit for that. And hopefully he's not really scamming anybody anymore. This guy realized that this was a really easy opportunity to make some money online. So if you want to do the same, you know, continue watching. So now I'm going to show you exactly how to make videos like this step by step. And I'll even show you how to make money from this, because that's a big problem that these creators have. It's like they don't really get paid with ads, but I'll show you how to bypass that all the way at the end of this video. But before that, go closely and hug up on that little like button, twerk up on that little subscribe button, and then ringity belly and comment down below. The favorite trail hike I've ever done was in blank, and you're gonna have to do a $1,000 course. And also stay to the end of this video to not miss any of the steps. Step number 1, go to google.com. Here, just search for interesting facts. And here you can find, you know, 100 interesting fun facts. Here, the 60, 175 random fun facts. And then, you know, you can take 2 of them from here, 2 of them from here, and 2 of them from here, and just make it into a video. And that will be sort of original content. Step number 2, make the YouTube short. All right, so super simple. Just click on the TikTok app and then immediately stop the TikTok that's going on. You don't want that dopamine stimuli ruin your brain. And there you can see me. Hey, how's it going? Just chilling out here in this little nice little cabin. Got some boxers on the table, but don't ask me about that. All right, don't ask me about my boxers on my table, okay? Well, all you need to do to make a TikTok like this is you need to find this effect down here, and this it's definitely not that one. Just scroll down. It's very hard to sort these things on TikTok, so you have to go a little bit down, and then you have to find this one. All right, this is the one where you can have things in the back, and you can, you know, you can have all the interesting facts and all that in the background. And then just add it to your favorites so it's easier for you. And then all of a sudden I'm in Italy. Or all of a sudden, this is the world's most expensive kayak
And you have to open your eyes a lot, okay? And don't sleep. Definitely don't sleep. And that's how you'll be successful on TikTok. Step number 3, go to Linktree. So I'll show you how to monetize this. And one of the ways that they monetize is through Linktree. So just click on get started for free right here. Just write your email, username, and password, and then sign up with your email. So I'll show you exactly what's happening right here with David Profits, for example. So he has this link, beacons.page, in his actual TikTok bio. And this is where he's making the money, all right? So he has a Linktree here, or he uses Beacons page, but it's pretty much the same. Beacons or Beacons? I don't really know. He has this link to Fabulous Self-Care, Lipstick app, and Apple Music free 30 days. And you can see that this is app downloads powered by The Plug. And I'll show you exactly what this is right now. This one, if they download this app right here, he will make money, all right? So I'll show you The Plug right now. So you can see The Plug easily monetize your following. Make money, 5,000 in 24 hours. So they have like a link here saying $50 per day that goes to like an Instagram story. You would just watch that together. Influencer success stories, all right? How influencer Gabby Raid made 12x more money using The Plug. Gabby owns 2 major Instagram pages, or 32K and 35K followers. That's not so much. She had a few advertisers connection, forcing her into low promo rates. $10 for feed post, $3 for story. With very few promos, Gabby made less than 50 per week. Then Gabby signs up to The Plug. And then Gabby gained access to unlimited offers from top tier advertisers. She posted whenever and got paid for the results delivered. And you can see here that she got a total earnings of $8,000 here. Gabby posted offers daily for 7 weeks and earned $3,175. That's pretty epic if you ask me. She didn't even have a big following, so you can definitely make some more with that on TikTok. So this is how it works. Pick a promo, choose an app to promote, post it on your socials, then make money, earn plug coins for your promotions, turn coins into cash. Then you can see your promotions in real time with rich analytics and notification. You even have a referral program. This is not sponsored, but this is how this guy is monetizing his TikTok even without having ads on the videos. So step number 1, find some interesting facts. Step number 2, film yourself with the app with your face in front and some background photo in the background. And step number 3, monetize it with The Plug, just like David Profit right here with 3 different links on Bacons. If you want to know more YouTube Shorts niches, and you also want to learn how to make YouTube videos without showing your face, there's 2 videos on the screen right now, also some in the description down below. But that's going to be today's video. We're actually opening mentoring in the description down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.